I've been taking seriously this thing of replacing my wave plugins, and one of the ones that I use the most is Wave L1, and I use it because it has low latency, and it's pretty light. It just does what it does, and I don't use it for mastering or for delivering. I just use it for mixing while I'm mixing, and I use always the same settings. But then, talking about replacing it, Pro Tools has this max sim, but it has a lot of latency. So I think what the best recommendation I have for you is Isotope Maximizer. Isotope Maximizer has 5 modes, and well, here are my settings: threshold to 0 and ceiling to -1. And then the first and the second one are pretty much the same as Wave L1 or L2, because it has a adaptive release. Then I don't use wave the third option or the 4. I go straight to the 5th, which is spectral, and this means that it's going to reduce only the frequencies that are surpassing 0, or yes, actually 0. It sounds great, but you don't need that much latency, and this mode introduces a lot. So what I recommend for mixing is just using mode 1, which is low latency,